Illustrator Tips and Tricks for Beginners by ITMaster. Hi everyone, welcome back to ITMaster channel. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any advanced design tutorials. Tired of feeling lost in the world of Adobe Illustrator? Unlock your creative potential with these beginner-friendly tips and tricks that will take your designs to the next level. Master the art of vector graphics with this comprehensive guide to Adobe Illustrator for beginners. Learn essential techniques that will empower you to create stunning designs for your website, social media, and more. Getting started with Illustrator. The interface. Understand the workspace, Tools panel, Control panel, Artboard, and Layers. Use Essentials Classic Workspace to get a full overview of available tools. Zoom in/out with Ctrl+ and Ctrl to navigate easily. Press Tab to hide panels when you need a distraction-free canvas. Shapes and Paths, your design foundation. Use M for Rectangle tool, L for Ellipse tool, basic but powerful. Hold Shift to create perfect squares and circles. Combine shapes using the Shape Builder tool, Shift+M, to make complex designs fast. Use the Pathfinder panel to unite, subtract, and divide shapes. Color like a pro. Double-click Fill or Stroke in the toolbar to change colors fast. Use the Eyedropper tool, Eye, to pick colors directly from images or other objects. Save your favorite colors in swatches for consistency. Use global colors so changes update across your design instantly. Typography that stands out. Press T to activate the Type tool. Click to start typing, or drag to create a text box. Use character and paragraph panels to fine-tune spacing, alignment, and fonts. Convert text to outlines, Ctrl+Shift+O, to make it a shape you can manipulate. Pen tool, mastering precision. Select the pen tool with P for clean, editable paths. Click for sharp corners, click and drag for curves. Use Alt while dragging to adjust handles and customize curves on the fly. Artboards and exporting. Use the Artboard tool, Shift+O, to create multiple designs in one file. Export with Alt+Ctrl+E and choose from PNG, JPG, or SVG for web-ready results. For sharp social media graphics, export at 2x resolution or higher. Bonus tips. Lock layers, Ctrl+2, when working with complex designs to avoid accidents. Group elements, Ctrl+G, to move them as one. Use snapping to align elements cleanly and consistently. Remember that frustrating moment when you couldn't figure out how to use a basic tool in Illustrator? This video is your solution. Join me as we break down the fundamentals of this powerful software, making it accessible for anyone to learn. Thanks for watching ITMaster channel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. See you in the next video. ITMaster.